Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a get ready with me for girls night. It is my girlfriend's birthday tonight, so we're gonna be going out and having a good time. So I wanted to show you guys my entire get ready with me routine for that. I'm gonna start off by turning on the shower and just letting the hot water heat up a little bit. And then I'm gonna light a candle. I've been using this vanilla bean candle and I absolutely love it. I don't know why, I just have to light a candle before I head into the shower. It just gets all the vibes going. Starting off with my lovely bar soap. This is from Dove. I use this every single day. I like using this first as a cleanser before I move in to my next products. I'm not going to be washing my hair today, so I'm just going to focus on body care. Moving along, I'm going to use the OGX Coconut Coffee Scrub and Wash. I really like using this because it's not as harsh as an actual exfoliator, so I find that it moisturizes and exfoliates at the same time, which I really enjoy. Since I'm wearing a dress tonight, I definitely have to shave my legs and shave my arms, so I'm using the EOS 24-Hour Moisture Shave Cream in Vanilla Bliss. This is my favorite shaving cream on the planet. Moving on to Summer's Eve 5-in-1 Feminine Hygiene Wash. I've been using this for the last couple weeks and I absolutely love it. Now for the last step, I'm using the Olay Ultra Moisture Body Wash. I really like using this and the scent is super good as well. Since I've been in the shower for quite some time, I'm also going to use a foot file because I'm wearing heels tonight and we don't want no crusty feet. Moving on to my makeup, we're using the Dior Backstage Face and Body Shimmer. I'm using this as the base before my foundation. And then I'm going to use some tape and I'm going to be doing a very dramatic full glam look. I have not done one in a long time. I might be a little rusty, but we're going to make it work. I thought Huda Beauty's Pretty Grunge was the perfect palette for the look I'm trying to achieve tonight. So we're going to be going in first with Liberty as a transition color. You always need to start with something like this just so the colors blend more smoothly. Next, we're moving on to Nevada and we're just going to start building the dramatic smoky eye look. The best advice I can give for looks like this is just patience and building the colors on top of each other. Now I'm using Fearless and I'm just going to kind of blend out the outer corners, and then moving in to using Stand Up. I'm going to put it right in the middle of my eyelid, and then I'm going to use Maverick to put on the inner corner of my eyelid. Now to create the really smoky look, we're going to go in with Retrograde and we're just going to really focus on the outer corner and we're just going to be bringing it into the eyelid. Really focus on building that black smoky eye. I must say this is my least favorite eyeliner, but this is the only thing that I had. This is the Rimmel London Wonder Ink eyeliner. And then we're gonna remove the tape, and as you guys can see, it's just this snatched, beautiful eye look. Moving on to foundation, I'm using the Armani Beauty Silk Perfect Glow Foundation, and I'm mixing it actually with a Maybelline foundation as well, just because the color was just a little too dark for me. For my concealer, I'm using the Kokie Cosmetic Double Time Full Cover Concealer in medium golden.
This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands.
For my cream contour, I'm using the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Matte Concealer, and I'm just going to blend it all out.
See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
Moving along, I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in Banana Bread to set my makeup.
My love. So don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love.
For my brows, I'm using the Maybelline Studio Tattoo Brow Pencil in medium brown.
On the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy.
To set my brows, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. So instead of wiping away the powder underneath my eyes, I'm just stippling it into the skin, as you can see. Just adding a little bit more bronzer. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Bronzer. For my blush, I'm using the Armani Beauty Silk Glow Blush in 51 Amour in Dusty Rose. For my nose contour, I've been using the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer for so many months, and I just love it. I love the result of this bronzer. For my highlight, I'm using the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. For my lashes, I'm using the Lily Lashes in Style Miami. I'm just adding a little bit of eyeshadow to the bottom of my lash line, and then I'm going to use some black eyeliner. For my mascara, I'm going to be using the YSL Beauty Extreme Lash Mascara. For my lip liner, I'm using the Lawless Cosmetics Forget the Filler Lip Liner in Pink Slip. This is in the Cool Muted Rose shade. For my lipstick, I'm using the Lawless Beauty Forget the Filler Cream Lipstick in Soft Blushing Rose. And lastly, I'm using the Maybelline Studio Lifter Gloss in 002 Ice. Moving on to body care, I'm going to be using the Hemp's Sweet Jasmine and Rose Moisturizer. I absolutely love this moisturizer. I have such dry skin, and this just brings my skin back to life. For tonight's look, I'm going to be doing a bouncy curl look. I have not curled my hair in quite some time. I definitely wanted to do that, and I didn't want to wash my hair because I obviously wanted the curls to, you know, go off of a little bit of the oil in my hair. So I'm just parting out my hair right now. I've already put in my heat protectant spray. Now I'm just taking my curling wand, and I'm basically going to curl each piece.
That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. say you gotta work from 3 to 9.
Now I'm going to use my Tresemme hairspray just to lock in the curls.
Your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it?
I just recently got the Tom Ford fragrance with the shimmery body oil. I'm so excited to use this, you guys. I've been wanting this for so long. This is going to be the fragrance for tonight. Obviously, every girls' night consists of getting ready together, so I just brought my outfit and my perfume and my heels over to my girlfriend's house, and I just got changed there. So we went to this restaurant called Tutu Restaurant. It's like an Italian joint. It was so cute in there. I love the vibes. They had pretty good food. We just ordered a little bit of everything, so as you can see, this is what we ordered. It was so good. We ended up going to a club after. I'm not much of a drinker or a club girl. So that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one.